Okay, basically we were doing the how to make a singular adjective plural, right? Yeah. Pour Casablanca, vous avez le vol normal. Du mardi, mais en ce moment, nous offrons des prix spéciaux le jeudi. Pour Casablanca, it's a place. You have the normal flights from Tuesday, but in this moment, we offer the price special prices on Thursday. Je cherche un journal national. I look for a national newspaper. Ah, je regrette. I regret. Nous avons seulement des magasins. We have only the regional magazines. Nous vous proposons ce produit. We propose you this product. Il est nouveau. It's new. Et ces modèles and these models qui sont vraiment très beaux, which are really good. Okay. Ce réalisateur, this producer is Raymond Original, is truly original. Tous ses films sont des succès. All his films are in success. International success. You missed anything there? Now we are coming to the place of the adjectives, where you put the adjective. Okay. La place des adjectifs qualificatifs. Okay. Aki est ce gros sac noir. So here you see one is before the noun, the other is after the noun. So this one you can see a color. Gros is the size. Il est à vous. It's to you, mademoiselle. Okay. I'll give you a small activity to be done. I want you to go through this observe part and answer to question A and B. Do it now. Third one, right? Can be before or after the noun. Les adjectifs de couleur et de nationalité sont placés derrière le nom. What do you put? Vrai ou faux? The adjectives of color and nationalities are placed after the noun. What's your answer?
Well.
Ray, right? Yeah. So basically here what you have to learn is we can place an adjective before or after the noun. So here specifically you can identify the adjectives of color and nationality are placed after the noun. For example, you have, so you see all the colors are coming after the noun. Noir, bleu, gris, and the nationalities also are coming after the noun. So it's a common rule. So you all want to do a small activity here. You need to identify the adjectives. For example, first one is done for you. Here you have this one. So what you are supposed to do is you need to categorize, do it in your writing book maybe, draw a chart and then write down the adjectives which are coming before the noun and the adjectives coming after the noun. Can you make the list? It's as per these 11 sentences. You understand what you're supposed to do?
Miss, then after the noun only nationality and color, no?
No, here first see, it's like you can see them, no?
Ah, okay.
With your No, not with you. Okay, I'll underline them for you. Just a second. Okay, so it
Okay.
is not a very big deal. Like you just need to tell what verbs are coming before and coming after. I'm not going to discuss that. Then move to this one. Okay, here now you know which verbs are coming before and after. You want me to I want you to make these sentences in order and write down. For example, they have been un mauvais roman policier. Likewise, can you do that? Always refer the chart most of the time to find out that verb is coming to, like coming where, before or after. You understand, right?
No.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, so the second one, how you wrote? Une petite table basse. A small low table. Next one, un bon musicien américain. Un bon musicien américain, a good American musician.
How we identify those words? Some of those words are not known. Then how we identify it?
It's like this musician, that word is here, right?
Yeah, that's one is there. I think the words are not in there. Then how we
Actually, that one, actually, there are simple rules. Actually, it's like what you are learning, and like gender description. It's like how you change the genders, how you divide the genders. The genders. It's also you don't have a way to identify. Actually, it comes with the practice again.
Okay.
Then un grand bâtiment moderne, a big modern building. Une jolie chanson italienne, a nice Italian song. Next one, un vieux livre passionnant, an old fascinating book. Un gros manteau chaud, a hot big coat. Une jeune secrétaire bilingue, a young bilingual secretary. Bilingual, it's like you're speaking two languages. Un nouveau tapis gris, a new gray color carpet. Okay, now we are moving to this section. Okay, here you have been asking how you need to like write down some sentences on how are the objectives, the people, the animals around you. You need to write around 10 sentences actually. Here, j'ai un joli poisson rouge. I have a nice goldfish. Likewise, write something, use two adjectives or maybe two adjectives all the time. So always refer your chart. Okay. You need to write down 10 sentences. It's about the people around you, the things around you, whatever it is. You understood the question?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Next activity is quite easy. So you need to put the correct adjective to the place necessary. It's like maybe here bell has been already taken. There are three adjectives. You need to put it in the correct place. Go ahead. Une vieille robe verte. Une grosse, it should be grosse. I'm not going to type it. Grosse omelette norvégien. Un bon gâteau italien. Fourth one, un grand restaurant libanais. Une bonne salade grecque. Right. So now let's move to les adjectives ordinaux. It's like there ordinaux. This is in terms of the numbers actually. How to say first, second, third, fourth. How it happens. No need to fill this one. Come directly to the question number 23. So one is premier. Okay. Second is deuxième. Since you already know the number, you know how to identify it. Can you do it? It's like when you say premier, here you have two words. It happens only for that word. Premier, masculine and feminine forms, but for the other parts, you don't have it. So complete the activity. You understand it, right?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Premier, write down pronunciation as well. Deuxième, second, deuxième. Troisième, third, troisième. Quatrième, fourth, fourth. Cinquième, fifth. Cinquième, fifth. Sixième, sixth. Sixième, sixth. Septième, seventh, septième. Huitième, eighth. Neuvième, ninth. Dixième, tenth. Onzième, 11th. Douzième, 12th. Treizième, 13th. Quatorzième, 14th. Quinzième, 15th. Seizième, 16th. Okay. I'll be counting premier, deuxième, troisième, quatrième, cinquième, sixième, septième, huitième, neuvième, dixième, onzième, douzième, treizième, quatorzième, quinzième, seizième, dix-septième, Likewise, it's correct. This 8am, this 9am, 20am. Likewise, it's continuing. Okay, move to next one. It's very easy. Quickly complete. It's like here when they say number and it is like you need to write down first, second, third, something like that. So this is troisième. Likewise, complete it. It's very easy. Vous tournez après le troisième feu rouge. You turn after the third color light. You turn after the third color light. And prenez la deuxième rue à gauche. Write down the spellings correctly. Take the second road to left side. Gauche means left. Take second road to left. Then Chabito premier étage. Chabito premier P-R-E-M-I-E-R premier. Okay. Chabito premier étage. I live in first floor. I live in first floor. Then l'appartement est dans le 14e arrondissement. The apartment is in the 14th arrondissement. Arrondissement is like in French language, it's like, yeah, it's quite similar to how we divide Colombo 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, in Paris City, they have arrondissement. Premier arrondissement, deuxième arrondissement, something like that. Then, frappez à la 4e porte. Knock on the 4th door. Knock on the 4th door. Number 6. C'est la première salle à droite. It's the first door, first room in right side. So you like in number 2, you have the word for gauche, left, and in number 6, droite, that is right. Okay. After that, we have the bilan part. It's the assessment. It's on the adjectives that we did so far. Start doing it. It's 4:30 now. Do 25. Do 25. It's easy. 26. What you're supposed to do is here. There are 3 adjectives. One is not matching with the first part of this one. So you need to like cut it and write down the correct word here. And then question number 27, you need to underline the correct word. Okay. And then 28, it's like you need to complete the table. So here you have masculine singular part, and then how it makes to feminine, and how you put it to masculine plural, and then how you make it to feminine plural. I don't think that we have time to do more than that. So complete 25, 26, 27, and 28. It's on the adjectives that we did so far. Yeah. Here, une robe noire, un chapeau vert, des gants bleus, des chaussures blanches, un pantalon gris, une casquette bleue, des chaussettes vertes, des chemisières blanches. Now, next one. La cuisine. So you are going to remove petit and then you are going to write down petite here. Le salon. This is okay. This is okay. Blanc should be blanc. Then la chambre, beau should be removed. It should be belle. Then la maison neuf francs. It should be neuf. Le jardin. This is wrong, should be wrong. Right. 27 is au petit déjeuner, je prends un café serré avec des croissants chauds. Ma femme préparait une orange pressée, des tartines beurrées et un yaourt bien sucré. Ou parfois un verre de lait froid. Okay. Any questions up to question number 27? No. Let's. So you're going to do. Let's do this section as a homework. So 22:8 I have already given you to do as a homework, and 29 what you're supposed to do is you need to like all the given adjectives are in masculine singular. So the masculine plural also is the same. You need to put a tick here. If it is changing in plural form, you need to write down the correct word. That is there. And 30th, what you're supposed to do is you need to write down adjective in singular. This is given in the given sentence assigned plural. So you have to do this in singular. And 31, you have to like underline. And 32 is you need to metal adjective ala form ena plus ki kongia. Okay, so here you have to do two jobs. First one, you need to do the accordance. You need to change the verb as per the noun, the gender of the noun. And then you have to decide whether it's coming before the noun or after the noun. Okay, so, right. Did you understand any questions of that? Marusha, Isuri, is all okay?
29th, again, I need it again.
Sorry, can you speak a little louder?
29th.
Yeah, wait, 29.
What?
Yeah.
What is, why?
It's like, say adjective, so more masculine singular. All the adjectives are in the form of masculine singular. Cocher les adjectifs qui ont la même forme. It's like, or masculine plural. When you are changing it to masculine plural, this is in singular now. When it is putting into plural, so sometimes you are keeping the same word in the occasions like where you have S and X at the end. So if it is not changing, you are going to put a tick. If it's changing, you have to do the change and write it in the blank.
Okay. Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Any other questions? Any other questions? Parusha, all okay? Okay. Then that's all for today. So you're going to do this part as a homework, and actually